Alright, so my Tabor City home here. And I decided I was going to do a review on the Westinghouse 3200 PSI 2.5 GPM pressure washer that I purchased from Lowe's. And they did not have this pressure washer in store, so I had to order it via their app and had it delivered to the local store. $275, I think, was roughly what it cost. But when I looked across the scope of pressure washers that were in the 3200 psi, because I wanted somewhere around there psi range. When I looked around the scope of them, one thing stood out about this pressure washer that not a lot of them had, and that was that this pressure washer has a reservoir for soap. And you can just fill this reservoir up, and when you do, it comes specifically with a soap nozzle. And so this nozzle, I'm going to set this camera down here, this nozzle just goes right in the end of the wand, just like any other nozzle would, and it just fits right in the end of the wand. Alright, well, when you fill that reservoir up, and I put pink dish soap, actually, is what I put in this thing to illustrate this. But you can see this tubing that comes directly out of the reservoir that would feed into this. And I'm going to show you how this thing works. So, you know, if you're interested in using your pressure washer for car washing, boat washing, anything like that, and you don't want to have another attachment in order to apply soap, you know, I would recommend this pressure washer. Now, you can go, as soon as you put any of the other nozzles on there, it stops spraying soap. There's no lever to throw, there's no switch to hit. As soon as you put the other attachments, the other ends, into the wand there for the pressure washer, it no longer draws soap. So pretty impressed with it. I've actually pressure washed my entire driveway. We pressure washed the front porch on the house, some of the other stuff with it, and I gotta say, this is a working little pressure washer, you know. So I would absolutely, for the price, for the power that it has, for the features that it contains, I would absolutely recommend the Westinghouse 3200 PSI 2.5 gallon per minute pressure washer that's available through Lowe's. Alright, so if anybody's looking at it, hope that helps. But I really think, pound for pound, value wise, this is probably one of the better pressure washers you're going to be able to get out there. Alright, so my Tabor City home, you guys have a great day.